everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we'd do a little something different. So I did what's for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now I will say up front, there is not a lot of lunches to share in this video. I will typically have salad at lunch. I showed a few of them. Sometimes we might have a sandwich. I just kind of keep that rotation. Or I have like just pimento cheese and like some crackers or peanut butter and crackers. There's a bunch of breakfast things that I share, and of course a bunch of dinner ideas as well. First, breakfast is a biscuit with jelly on it and scrambled eggs and sausage balls, and these sausage balls are from Tennessee Pride and they are so tasty. Next up, I have a lunch item, and this is a chicken salad sandwich, the Diet Coke, and we were trying the new Sweet Southern Heat barbecue flavored Lay's, which were really tasty, by the way. Another breakfast we had. This is gravy and biscuit with a fried runny egg on top, and I love having my gravy and biscuits like this. Here is another lunch. It's a salad with bacon, cheese, chicken, croutons, of course lettuce, and cheese and ranch. Another runny egg with a hash brown with ketchup. Pizza casserole. I'd fixed garlic bread with this as well and forgot to photograph it. Lunch salad, bacon bits, chicken, cheese, and lettuce, and I will have me some ranch on top of that too. This is boiled potatoes, green beans, a roe, and a banquet turkey dinner. I like to buy the banquet dinners sometimes and throw them in the freezer for quick dinners, and you can pair it with a lot of good sides and it makes for very quick. Biscuits and gravy again, and this time with the sausage balls, which are so good. Homemade barbecue sandwiches with crinkle cut french fries. Pancake Sunday. We have pancakes and sausage links every Sunday. We typically do have the blueberry pancakes. Yummy. Homemade mashed potatoes, Mississippi roast, and mixed veggies. So yummy. Mississippi roast is amazing. If you have not tried the recipe and you love using your slow cooker, what have you been waiting for? A cheese omelet with toast one morning for breakfast. Garlic bread, peas, and beef stroganoff. This was so yummy. It's just a hamburger helper box of beef stroganoff. This day for breakfast we had corned beef hash, which is like a meat and potato mixture, and I had a runny egg with mine, but I love me some runny egg. I made homemade fried fish, hush puppies, and a few potato wedges with ketchup and tartar sauce. So yummy. On this morning we had pumpkin spice French toast, which is so delicious, by the way. Beef stew with grilled cheese. This is a very easy dinner. This is honestly just beef stew out of a can. I do make homemade beef stew sometimes in my crock pot, but a lot of times we'll have beef stew just right out of the can, Armour beef stew, and grilled cheese, and it makes for a very easy dinner. And so another dinner we had homemade meatball subs. I done a video on these. They're amazing, and they are a Subway copycat. Delicious. The last breakfast item here I have to share with you is a sausage egg biscuit with cheese. Don't typically eat it with cheese, but on this day I kind of wanted to try it. I don't really care for it that much, but egg, sausage, and biscuit, yes. And cheeseburger with tomato, lettuce, and mayonnaise with some potato wedges. Another lunch. I chopped up the rest of the lettuce that I had, and I chopped up the last tomato we had, and I just topped it with ranch. This was absolutely delicious and so simple. Homemade potatoes, a roe, and chicken breast in the crock pot cooked in chicken broth and topped with gravy. chicken gravy. Absolutely delicious. You'll probably never ever want to fix chicken any other way again. This chicken tastes like turkey, and I believe I do have a video on it. They'll be in the kitchen playlist in the description box and linked in the cards, so you don't miss out on any of the recipes I post or have posted in the past. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more What's for Dinners. And in this case, this was What's for Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner. I'm not entirely sure if I'll do too many more of these ones, but definitely stay tuned for What's for Dinner. Thank you so much for watching.